students, today we are starting our class with an activity. Are you ready? So first of all, wishing you very happy morning. And here I will write some conditions. Okay, some conditions. If it is favor to me, you give me a thumbs up. Okay, you give me a thumbs up. Is it? Then it's not favor to me, not a favorable condition to me, then you give me a bad luck. Okay, so students, let me start. Then suppose I bought one rose. Okay, I bought one rose for 10 rupees. Okay, 10 rupees. Okay, and I sell it. I sell it for rupees 20. For 20 rupees. Is it a favorable condition or unfavorable? Yes, favorable. Is it? I got 10 rupees extra. Is it? 10 rupees extra. Is it? So, here I got 10 rupees extra. Is it? Extra. Then suppose I bought a pair of guppy fish for 15 rupees. So, 15 rupees for one pair fish. Okay. Then sell it for 12 rupees. Okay. I sell it for 12 rupees. I sell it for 12 rupees. Okay, 12 rupees. Then is it fair to me or unfair to me? Of course, bad luck. Is it? It's not fair to me. I didn't get extra amount and also, yes, a reduction in the prize money. Is it? I got amount. Yes, only 13 rupees. Is it? I bought for 15 but I get only 12. Is it 12? That is 3 rupees reduction. Is it? 3 rupees. So, 3 rupees reduction. Reduced. Is it? 3 rupees reduction. Is it? So, just think about some situations in your life. Okay, so sometimes you may have this situation, is it, getting an extra amount, but sometimes you have these type of situations, that is reduction in our, yes, amount. Is it? Here we get extra amount, here we get a reduction in the amount. Is it? So today we are going to study about these type of situations. And you know, children, the situation in which get extra amount, it is not as, yes, some of you know the word profit. Is it, students? Profit. So, here we can say that I got 10 rupees profit. Is it? 10 rupees profit. Got it? And in this case, the reduction, it is known as loss. Loss in the amount. Here I have 3 rupees loss. So students, you are studying about profit and loss. I think you got the concept. When we get extra amount compared to our cost price. Is it? Cost price. What is cost price? The amount in which we buy items. Suppose you buy a chocolate for 5 rupees. That 5 is called cost price. So, another term, cost price. CP. Cost price, CP. Okay? Cost price, CP. Got it? So, the CP means, yes, the amount in which we buy items. Is it? So, it's CP. And, you know, here I sell it. I sell it. So, for particular amount, we sell items. Is it? To particular amount, we sell items. That amount is called, can you say? Yes, of course, SP, selling price. SP, selling price. price. Is it? So students, here the 10 rupees is the CP. Is it? Cost price. I bought a rose for 10 rupees. So CP is 10. And in this case, yes, 15 is the CP. Is it? 15 is the CP. Is it, students? And also here I sell it for 20 rupees. So SP is, yes, 20. And in this case, SP is 12. Is it, students? Can you say the condition of profit and loss from CP and SP? Can you say the condition, that is when we have profit according to CP and SP? Here CP is 10. Is it? CP is 10. CP means here CP is equal to SP is equal to. And also record in this case CP and SP. So students, in this case CP is 10. Here SP is 20. Is it, students? And in this case CP is 15 rupees. SP is 12. Is it, students? So first case CP and SP. Second case CP and SP. Can you say any relation? Very good. That is, in this case CP is less than SP. Is it? When selling price is greater, we get, yes, profit. Is it? We bought an item for 5 rupees. Sell the item for 10 rupees. Then we have 5 rupees profit. Is it? So SP greater than it is profit. Is it? But SP is smaller. That means, yes, loss. I think you got the concept. Is it? So CP is, yes, say it once again. Yes, CP, cost price, and SP, saying louder. Yes, SP, selling price. CP, cost price. SP, selling price. SP, yes, selling price. CP, cost price. So don't forget these two words. CP, cost price. SP, selling price. And we have SP greater than CP. Yes, profit. Is it? SP greater than CP. Profit. SP less than CP. Yes, loss. So students, don't forget these 4 words. Okay. SP, CP, profit and loss. And we can check some problems. Okay, students. So don't forget these words. SP, CP and profit, loss. Okay. So, first one. CP. Cost price, that is you bought an item for 20 rupees and you sold it for 30 rupees and you will get, yes, a profit. Is it? Profit. So you can write its profit, and the profit is, yes, 10 rupees. Is it? You know, 30 minus 20, it's 10. 10 rupees is your profit. Is it, students? Then here you bought an item for 40 rupees and you sold the item for 25 rupees. So the CP is greater. Is it? You bought the item for high amount, but you get only low amount while you are selling the item. Is it? So here you got, yes, a loss. Is it? A loss, and the loss is, yes, of course, 15 rupees. Is it? 15 rupees. So students, I think you clear the concept of profit and loss. Is it? Then next one. It's a twisted type of problem. You have given CP and profit. You have to find out, yes, of course, what SP is it? Here SP is missing. So you have to find out the SP. And student, you bought an item for 30 rupees. Is it? 30 rupees. Is it? 30 rupees. And you got 10 rupees profit. That is extra 10 rupees. Is it? While selling, you got 10 rupees extra. So can you say what will be the profit? Of course, it's 40. Is it, students? It's 40. As you know, when you buy item for 30 rupees. Okay, 30 rupees. And you should sell profit means you got 10 rupees extra than 30. Is it? So the amount is CP plus profit, it's 40. Got it, students? So here you can simply say that SP is equal to, yes, CP minus loss. Is it? Loss means 5 rupees reduced. Is it? Already you paid 20 rupees. Is it? So getting more than 20 is profit. Getting less than 20 is loss. Is it? So you can say that you have 5 rupees reduction. Is it? 5 rupees reduction. So CP minus loss, it is 15 rupees loss. Got it, students? So by simple thinking you can calculate these problems. Is it? And the very next, SP and profit, SP and loss. Here you solve for 40 rupees. Is it? 40 rupees. And you got 10 rupees profit. Is it? 10 rupees profit. Is it, students? So 10 rupees extra amount. You got 10 rupees extra for the CP. You got 10 rupees extra compared to CP. So CP will be, of course, 40 minus 10, that is 30 rupees. Is it? You solved it for 40 and in that 40, 10 is extra. Is it? 10 is extra. So 40 minus 10, it's 30. And in this case, CP is 30 rupees. That is, you solve the item for 30. And in which 20 rupees is loss. 20 rupees is loss. Is it? So 30 rupees for 30 you solve the item. But you have 20 rupees loss. Is it? 20 rupees is reduced. So the actual amount is, yes, 50. 30 plus 20, it's 50. Got it, children? So students, think 2-3 times while you are solving these type of questions. It's very simple and very relevant in our practical life. Is it? You daily met such type of problems. So students, try to solve by yourself. Try to make your own problems and solve it by yourself. So you will be thorough with this topic. And we will see in the DCS time to solve more such type of problems. Okay, students? Thank you.